Alright, here we go. We are tubing behind a 5.5 engine? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm in a floaty, and Craig's setting up, and here we go. Hey, hook that back up. Alright, here we go. So I got my Coors iced tea, and my glove for safety reasons. Yep. Here we go. Faster! Uh-oh. I feel like we're gonna go backwards. We're going backwards. Here we go. Let's go backwards. So I'm gonna go backwards instead, I guess. It's the only way that seems to work. I need a good stretch anyway. Here we go. Tori, you would be proud. Oh no, there goes my keys. What? What do you mean? Like that? Oh.
Hold it tight.
Oh, I see. There we go. Here we are. Coors Light iced tea? You'd be proud. It wants to turn.
What?
It wants to turn sideways. It's not very aerodynamic. Alright, here we go. This is ridiculous. You gotta try this. A little faster. A little more. There you go. Perfect. Cheers! Uh-oh. There we go. So that was Egan Lake Hillbilly Tubing. Coors iced tea style. Cheers.